Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. I'm starting this vlog off how I started my last vlog, which is taking product photos. So yeah, here is one of my new tees that I'm coming out with. This collection is a city and state collection, so this one just says San Diego, California. These are not going to come cropped. I just cropped mine because I like crop tops, so yeah. Plus I didn't even do a good job, so I will not be cropping anyone else's. But yeah, I think this one is my favorite because I just love the color with the white embroidery. So pretty. I have more, but you guys will see that later after I take my product photos in this. And I'm trying to take them on my phone. They're not coming out that great, but we'll see. You guys can watch me take them. Hopefully it won't be out of focus this time. Okay, got some good ones. I'm going to change to the next one. Okay guys, so here we have the next shirt. It just says Boston, Massachusetts. And this is a really pretty color too. It's called terracotta. Okay, so now we're on to the third shirt. And this one just says New York in the beautiful color orchid, which is like a lilac color. I love it so much. I really love all of them so much. And this is not the last one. I have quite a few items coming out. 2 sweatshirts, and I have another t-shirt. So yeah, but the last t-shirt I still have to make that. I'm not going to take mirror pictures in those items. I just wanted to do the cropped ones because I think it'll be cute. Okay, so I'm finished taking product photos for now, but now I'm just going to edit because I need to get a video up for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do. And I kind of forgot to mention earlier, happy Monday. It's Monday. Okay, so my sister is back, so we're gonna take some product photos. This is the sweatshirt. It says Maui, Hawaii, and it just has cute little dolphins. I got this design off Etsy, just so y'all know. But yeah, I'm also gonna put this on a t-shirt. Anyways, after this, I have one more sweatshirt, and then we're done. Okay, so I literally forgot to film me taking product photos, but we're done. This is the last of the sweatshirts. It just says Chicago. So yeah, super cute. I love these colors with the navy. But yeah, these are all the products for Friday's lunch, besides the t-shirt that I still have to make. But anyways, there's a baby here if you hear crying. I think I'm just going to edit for the rest of the night because I need to get a video up for you guys tomorrow. Yeah, it's my packing orders with me video. If you haven't seen that, you should check that out. I'm so sorry that it's loud. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna see you guys tomorrow because we have a lot to get done.
Like, maybe this one should just be.
Okay guys, happy Tuesday. I just finished my breakfast, and sorry if my hair looks kind of weird. I cut it, by the way. I don't know if you can tell, but like, I cut it. But yeah, we kind of have a lot to do today. Not really, I just feel like it's a lot because here's the thing, I'm going out of town on Thursday, going to Orlando, and I will be vlogging. But that just means I have to get the orders done by Wednesday so that I can ship them out on Thursday before I go. And I normally ship them out on Saturday, so I gotta get to work. And I worked a lot over the weekend, so I got a lot of things done, but I'm still kind of behind. So plus I'm having a launch on Friday, so yeah, I just have to get things prepared for launch as well. So like kind of stressed, but we're going on vacay, so it's fine. So I'm just going to pull out the first order. We have the Self-Love Club set in large color blue jean. So let me get that. Okay, so here it is, and I'm still super tired. I haven't had my coffee yet. Need to go do that. And guys, look at my nails. I've been loving like fun nails, so I'm obsessed. Okay, so the set is finished. Here's the shirt. I already put my little tag on it. So cute. But I got my coffee, so I'm not as tired. But guys, my favorite song right now is Good For You by Olivia Rodrigo. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I just gotta listen to that real quick because it's stuck in my head. Okay, so we are doing the sun and moon tea. Okay, so it's been a couple hours or so. I made the Maui Hawaii crew neck into a t-shirt, and it's so cute on this baby blue color, but I have to take product photos now. Hey guys, okay, so it's a bit later. It's like 5:36 right now. I'm about to take a shower. Oh my goodness, it's so yellow in here. Anyways, I'm about to take a shower. I'm doing it early because I have a therapy session at 7 or 7:30, and I'm going to attempt to go to sleep early tonight. But okay, just wanted to update the vlog. Gonna put on my shower cap. It's pink, of course. Okay, so I'm out the shower. I just have on a sun and moon tee in size 2X. So comfortable for sleeping. But yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything interesting tonight. I need to find out what I'm eating for dinner, and then I have a therapy session at 7 or 7:30. But yeah guys, I started therapy not for like a specific reason, but I've always wanted to. So yeah, I'm doing it online. But yeah, that's an update with my life, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, and happy Wednesday. I know I probably look crusty AF right now, but yeah, I still have to get ready. I kind of have a lot to do today because we're leaving for Orlando tomorrow, so I need to get a lot of things done before I go. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and get back to you guys later when that is done. Okay, so here's my little to-do list for today. I have work on orders, package orders, schedule pickup, pack for Orlando, post on Instagram, vlog all day, and edit product photos. Okay, so I'm wearing my Chicago sweatshirt today. But okay, we're gonna start on the first order. But let me get this hooped and set up. Okay, so we're finished with this. Came out super cute. Okay, so we're now on Nicole's order. I love Nicole. If you're watching this, Nicole, I love you. She got 2 baby tees and a set, but we're gonna work on her baby tees first. Okay, so I wasn't able to finish Nicole's order because I have to order another small watermelon t-shirt. So yeah, I can't do that today, but I did finish her baby tees. They're so cute. I'm all packed and ready to go. I brought 2 pairs of jeans, some jean shorts. I brought my Chalky Mint set. This is a little dress and some little crop tops. Y'all know the deal. And then obviously on this side, underwear, bras, swimsuit, socks. And yeah, I forgot to film the whole packing process. So of course my suitcase has cats all over it. So cute.
No, look, please. Water. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know any man named Kurt. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know any man named
Kurt. Little suite tour. This is a little living room, TV. Then you go to the hallway. Have the bathroom. There's me looking crusty AF. It's been a long drive. And then here are the beds.
Yeah.
And there's heaven. Are you excited?
Yeah. Can you turn on this TV?
Not you trying to watch TV already. And then we have this mirror.
Yeah.
The lighting is quite weird, but
I'm about to open it up because I need to put my suitcase in. Real quick.
this is the second day. Yesterday I didn't really speak to the camera, but we did the whole road trip here. And when we got here, I gave a little room tour of the suite. And then we went to the outlets. I got me a little Coach bag. Maybe I'll show you guys a bit later. But we're about to go to SeaWorld. So I'm getting ready. And I have no idea what to do to my hair. I guess I could leave it down, but like, I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to do a little intro because I did not speak to you guys yesterday at all. My travel vlogs are kind of all over the place, especially when it's family, because it's just a mess, but it's our family. I need to finish getting ready, so I will update you guys later. Heaven. So I'm looking for a poncho because it was kind of raining and my hair's straight. I think so. But yeah, the line felt quick to us.
The only fish is made of is what's that fish that y'all like so much? Yeah, but they could ride them.
Oh, snap. What? I'm not.
Okay y'all, so it's the next day. I'm so sorry I've been sucking at vlogging. That's how it is when we go on vacation, but I'm sorry. But yeah, it's Saturday. This is a little fit for today. This is the Coach bag that I told you guys that I got. I'm obsessed. I love shoulder bags, and it's like big enough to hold my camera and stuff, so I had to get it. But yeah, I'm not sure what all we're doing today. I know we're going to the fair. I don't know what else. Yesterday at SeaWorld, it was fun, but I don't really like support SeaWorld because the animals, I feel so bad for the animals. But yeah, it was my first time going, and I probably would have never gone if my family didn't want to go. But you know, besides that, I did enjoy myself. I enjoyed riding the roller coasters. I love roller coasters. So yeah, but anyways, I need to go because they're waiting on me. So I'm gonna try to do better at vlogging today.
One bite this taco? I thought it was gonna be a little different, but
But do you like lemon?
lemon lime.
We're gonna be with you.